Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar. So over here in Google Calendar, you want to go to the top left and click on extensions, then click on add-ons, then get add-ons, and then you want to search for Calendar Event Creator. And then you want to download this specific extension. And then after you've downloaded, just close the tab, then go back to extensions. Then you will see the extension over here at the bottom. Then just click on start. And then this extension will automatically detect the columns for these following options. So as you can see, the event title is found in column A, like so. And you can also choose to add more columns for these other options available over here. And then after that, you can just go ahead and write your event, for example. And as you can see, a view event option appears over here. So if you go ahead and click on it, it will redirect you to Google Calendar. Or you can also just go ahead and check your Google Calendar and you will see that the event that you made is already synced here in your Google Calendar. So the view event option, we can just also go ahead and adjust that by starting the extension. And then at the status column, we want to change that, for example, to column F. So I'm just going to click on column F, then click on status column, so that it will change, so that the view event will appear at column F the next time. So that's it. Thanks for watching.